Hello everyone, my name's Sorrell, and today I'm going to show you how to add custom characters to Super Smash Bros. For Wii U. Before we get started with this video, watch my previous videos in the playlist which is linked below, showing you how to dump the game, how to set up Smash Explorer, and how to set up SD Caffeine. These are all required steps. So once you've completed those steps, we can begin this tutorial. And of course, if you need any help with this process, you can ask me or anyone else on my Discord server. The link to that is down below. But now let's get started, and remember to leave a like on this video if it helped you out. Click the GameBanana link which is down below, and it will take you to the Super Smash Bros. For Wii U skins page. You can download all sorts of mods from GameBanana, but today we're just doing characters. You can see on the right there's a category for each character. Let's click Captain Falcon and all of his mods will show up. Once you've found a skin you like, click it, view some previews if you want, then download it. But I've already downloaded some skins for this video. We've got President Haltman, Mario from Super Mario 64, and Ganondorf from Super Smash Bros. Melee. Notice that some of them are in zip folders and some are in RAR archives. These folders require WinRAR to be extracted, which is available for free online. Let's extract these and then get started with Smash Explorer. Okay, so in Smash Explorer, we're going to click Data, Fighter, and then choose the character which we downloaded the mod for. If your character isn't shown here, it may be using its Japanese name, which is the case for Marabito or Villager in English. You can check the translations on my website, which is linked below. So we've opened our characters folder, click Model, and then Body. Here we can see all of the different costumes our character has. There are usually 8 costume slots per character, but a select few have more. Today we're going to be replacing certain costumes with our modded ones. I'll link my tutorial on adding more costume slots below once I've made it. Now let's open our modded character files. In this case, it's named CO8, but many mods are named differently. Inside we have our 4 modded files. Some have more, but here we just have a few. Let's open one of our character's costume slots and you can see the same files are inside. We're going to drag the modded files and drop them on top of the folder we opened. The files we've modified have turned green. Now that we've finished installing the Haltman model on King Dedede, the next step is to give him the correct character images, because we've only changed the model so far, nothing else. Now we're going to open up Data, UI, Replace, CHR. In the mod files, open the graphics folder and look at the names of the graphic files inside. Depending on which slot you modded earlier, you're going to be naming the graphic files accordingly. Let's say you modded slot C00, you would then rename the graphic files for that character to 01, because it's one higher than the slot you modded, and that's how these work. The same would be true if we modded slot C03, the image file would be named to 04. The graphic files are always one number higher than the slot they're going into, because slots start at 00 and graphics start at 01. And finally, we drag the image files into the folders which match the first 2 numbers in its name. Our next character is Melee Ganondorf. You can see already that the folders are named differently compared to the previous mod, so you might have to look around a little if your mod contains lots of folders. Ganondorf includes some extra files, so make sure to read the information on screen now. We're going to do exactly the same thing as before, drag the modded files into the character's slot you want, and then do the same with the I files if your character has them. And just like before, we're going to find the matching image files, rename them according to the slot, and then put them into Smash Explorer. For the last mod, we have Mario from Super Mario 64. It's the same process as before, so let's try to do it without my help. Once you finish installing your first few mods, go ahead and prepare your Wii U SD card. Now select Project and click Build the Mod. This will begin the process of compiling all of your mods so the Wii U can read them. Once it's finished, click yes to this message and it should place the mod files onto the SD card automatically. These are the files that have just been copied to the SD card, as you can see by the creation date. Now all we have to do is eject the SD card, put it back into the Wii U, run SD Caffeine, and then launch the game. And you should see that the characters you installed now show up in the slot you chose. This video took ages to explain, so I'll just leave you with some of my modded gameplay. Well, that's all for today. My name's Sorrell, and I'll see you next Sunday with a brand new video.